It's hard to resist a chocolate brownie, but these raspberry brownies? Come on! Start by preparing your pan. Grease it with butter, then line it with parchment paper and grease that parchment paper again. Combine the dry ingredients in a bowl, melt the butter, and while the butter is still hot, add the sugars and beat it well. Beat the eggs into the batter until they're light and the beater leaves a distinct path. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Fold in the chocolate chips. This is what's going to give you that nice shiny top surface. Pour the batter into a pan and then press the raspberries into the batter. That way you can make sure every piece gets some raspberry. Bake this at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. While the brownie is baking, make the chocolate glaze. Melt 2/3 of the chocolate over a double boiler or in the microwave. When that's melted, add the remaining third and then stir in the vegetable oil. Pour this glaze over the brownies and smooth it out. Bang it on the counter to get it completely smooth, and then refrigerate it so it sets up. You have lots of time to make that raspberry icing. Press some raspberries through a fine strainer and then whip in powdered sugar. Drizzle this all over the brownie and then cut the brownie into squares, rectangles, whatever size you like. This is a good treat for Valentine's Day, but it's a great treat for any day.